Did you know that ChatGPT has something called sentiment analysis? So if you have like reviews or other social media comments, you can analyze all of those instead of having an army of people to categorize and to check if those are original or fake. You can have ChatGPT analyze this information for you and these comments or reviews based on a criteria that is set already in ChatGPT, or you can set and update your own criteria and your own scale of sentiment analysis. The key thing here is sentiment analysis. So, as a sentiment analysis expert, I want you to analyze all the following comments and tell me what are the major problems in the hotel that are faced by customers, and then you can say and give me some solutions to these problems. So as I told you, as a sentiment analyst expert, I'm going to paste the worst reviews on Google Map from a hotel, find out the reason of their dissatisfaction, and then provide me with a summary report. Now I paste, and after that I immediately paste all the negative comments. So what I did was very simple. I went to the Google Map and I copied all those comments like this, very simply. But then you know that there are some software that you can integrate within your organization, and they can just take the comments and do them automatically. Now, after I pasted the negative comments, where are 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, so I will not read all of them. So what I did, I pasted them, and then this is the summary report. The summary report, it summarized them in bullets. So we have bullets. This is in the sentiment analysis. We have them listed, each person by person, and then at the end we can ask ChatGPT what can be done to address these comments as the other side of the business. So if I am the hotel, what can I do? What action plan I need to do? So the action plan, it gave me like action plan of 6 points. And then again, here you can mix as persona and as user. So you can ask ChatGPT, if you are, for example, the CEO, what you would do. If you are the strategy, the PMO, the audit, what you need to do in this regard. So now I ask, if you go to the comments, you see that there are not highlighted by age group or something. So if I ask, what do you think the age group of these people are? So we got the answers that honeymooners, solo travelers, local residents. But there it was not very strong. So now we can carry on and ask for the concerning issues and what need to be done internally in order to address these issues. And then we get like an internal plan of what these can be done based on the feedback that we got from Ahmad, from Pasindu, from Peter. So those will be the actions that need to be done in order to overcome these problems and overcome the bad comments and be ready for and be proactive for the future. So what I did, I put a prompt. Please provide a short Arabic paragraph on negative sentiment to be shared with the chairman and actions to be conducted. So the report is like, سيدي الرئيس، أود أن نشارك بعض الانطباعات السلبية التي تم ذكرها في تقييمنا. تحتاج الفندق إلى تحسين بعض العمليات الداخلية كتجربة النزلاء وتعزيز جودة التنظيف، سياسات استرداد الأموال، إجراءات لإدارة مستوى الضوضاء، وتحسين جودة الخدمة وتعزيز الخدمة وتعزيز رضا العملاء. So now I'm gonna stress a point that ChatGPT does not have a language. Large language model do not have a language. So it is like thinking like our brain. We don't think with a language, we think with our brain. So when I say do it in English, Arabic, German, whatever is the language, so the logic will not change. So it will not sound like translated, and it will not sound weak. So be aware that sentiment analysis mostly needs to be integrated in the system, and once it is integrated in the system, you can do it automatically, and all what you need to do is a prompt engineer to analyze the sentiment, to fine-tune the sentiment, and create action plan for certain sentiments. So we can put like red flags, where if we match any problem in those red flags, we can automate a message that can be sent directly to the CEO or to somebody in the organization to take a quick action. Thank you very much. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like my videos. Thank you, and hope to see you in the next episode.